Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use monday.com for personal tasks. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. After that, what you need to do is go and log into a profile or register if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have your monday.com work management, where we have here the home screen, your work. We have, as you can see, the search bar. We have a lot of things going on here, and in the top right corner also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually use monday.com for personal tasks. So basically, as you can see, you have your tasks here. So you have your main table, where you can see tasks, task 1, 2, 3, and here you have some other tasks as well, as you can see. But now, here you can go and click on add a task to add some new tasks, add tasks to add them here. You can put the owners, the status, and the due date of the task, so you can go and change them there. You can of course go and click on my work to go and change it to there also, and you can go and click on the search bar, the person, filter, sort, and hide for options to go and do some more things about your task. And you can add a new group if you want by clicking on this button here. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.